Good afternoon, Hamza Automates here, and today I have one of the most insane Go High Level tutorials that exists on YouTube because last night they just created the most insane feature that has ever existed. So Go High Level now have the ability to completely take over your browser. This allows you to basically do any type of research, access any websites, scrape any information off the internet, and actually use it inside of your Go High Level account. Now, instead of me explaining what that means, let me just show you right now. So inside of Ask AI, inside of your Go High Level account, which you can see over here, you can now give it an instruction to say, open Google, search the latest AI news, pick one article, write me a LinkedIn post about it, and post it to LinkedIn. Now, before this would say, I don't have the ability to access the internet, I can't find the latest news. But instead, now let's see what happens. So my hands are off, and what you can see is over there, you can see it says browser control. So this is a new feature, and in just a second, it's going to open up a new tab at the very top, which you just saw. And now it's actually going to take control of my browser. So it opened this up all by itself. You can see that it's clicking on the screen right here, and it opened up this article, and it's going to basically extract the news and create a LinkedIn post for me all by itself. So it's making its own decisions. My hands are still up. It closed that article. I didn't like it. It's moving on to the next one. And now it's automatically doing this on its own. If we go back to Go High Level, we can see what it's thinking about. So it went through that first article, then it went to the Time Magazine article. It finally found one that it likes. And you can see in real time, it's like a human being agentically taking control and actually seeing what we see. This has never been done before. This is something that blew my mind last night when I saw it. And now today I'm going to show you how you can set it up. But let's just see how it's doing right now. So it did the research, it read the LinkedIn article, it wrote it in its own words over here, which is really cool. Now it's going to navigate to LinkedIn, and it's actually opening up LinkedIn right here by itself, and it's actually going to post it. So unless I stop it right now, it's going to go ahead and post this article, which is crazy. So let me stop this guy before he goes ahead and does that, because I didn't approve it, but he was just about to do it, which is absolutely crazy, right? And the interesting thing is that he bypassed their own social planner and decided to post it itself on LinkedIn because it found that to be more efficient. So maybe that's something that it does now. It can just take over our social media accounts and post directly there. So what I'm going to do now is show you how you can set this up for yourself and give Ask AI this power. Then I'm going to show you some use cases that I've already come up with brainstorming last night, and I'm going to plan to make a bunch of tutorials about this. And when I tell you I was up all night, I'm Hamza Automates. This is what I do for a living. So I came up with all of these different use cases, and I plan to create tutorials on exactly how to implement these. So this is the one that we just saw, the content machine. So this can actually create blogs natively, can generate images in your brand's voice, and you can make it a scheduled task, meaning this can happen every single day or every single week. What else do we have over here? It can create estimates, it can send them, it can convert them to invoices and actually send those off, which is crazy. It can go into your Facebook ads library and actually take all your data about how your ads are performing. It can check monthly how you're doing on ChatGPT or Perplexity and actually search your name or search your business's name or your client's name and give you an in-depth feedback report. And I've got this entire guide that I just created over here. So this is provided to you completely free of cost if you are one of my affiliates. So if you're planning to sign up for Go High Level, if you're still looking for an affiliate, or if you want someone whose content is completely tailored towards AI automation, then all you have to do is use my link in the description below. We can talk about that more at the end. Now, how do you actually set up this browser control? So it's very simple to do. I'm going to put the link in the description, but all you have to do is go to the Chrome store. So as of right now, I've only seen this available on Google Chrome, the browser. So I'm going to put this link over here. It's called Lead Connector Ask AI. All you have to do is install this Chrome extension. Then it's going to show up over here inside of your list. Once it's there, you just need to see the status connected. If you're connected, then you're good to go. And then once it's connected, you can come back into your Ask AI and then ask it to do anything that revolves around the browser. So you can say, open ChatGPT, ask it to tell you who the number one plumber is in Toronto and tell me the answer. All right, we'll search that up and we'll see how it performs. So on the right hand side, you can see it's starting a browser session. The browser is connected because of the extension that I just put. which is literally crazy. I don't know where this came out from. I don't know who asked for this, but the minute I saw it, I was like, this is a game changer. Now you can see at the top right hand corner, it's Open Chat GPT. It's conducting the research, which we can see over here. It's going to click on that. I don't know how long it's going to take, but we can watch it. And it's thinking. It's going to click there. He typed it in. Who's the number one? All right. It's going to search. I can see that it replied with strong plumbing. Let's see what he says back to me. So let's come back over here. Perfect. He got the response. Going to get the full answer, and then he's probably going to send it to me, right? So now what I've done is that I've been tinkering and playing with this for like the last 24 hours, and I plan to continue doing so over the next couple of weeks. So what I've done is, what I've shown you so far is a very small glimpse of what this tool can do, and I plan to keep creating in-depth tutorials on how you can actually use this to scrape leads, to get more clients, to create more personalized outreach, because this is the purpose of it, right? If I can say, hey, Ask AI, go search my prospect's website, find gaps in their business. They don't have a booking form, or they don't have a booking system, or they don't have speed to lead or a chatbot set up. I want you to extract all that information, put it inside of my CRM, so then I can do very personalized outreach directly to them, which can also be automated. So you can see here, very simple example, but it did what I asked it to. It can search the browser, which is really cool. Now, like I mentioned to you, I've got this entire guide built out, and I'm going to actually create tutorials on this for my affiliates. So if you do plan to sign up for my link, then you will get access to that. I've also got in-depth prompts here as well, which you get free access to. So I actually built this last night. So this is a full in-depth prompt to actually create you content on autopilot. So you're going to get hundreds of pieces of content with actual research on what's happening in the latest news in the AI space, or whatever your niche is, or your client's niche is. All you have to do is copy my prompts that I give you. They're pretty in depth. Come over to Ask AI, and it will literally do the rest. So I've made these super simple for you. It's going to use the browser search and actually just come up with that, right? So that's how you set up browser control. I hope you found that useful. If you do want to see more tutorials just like this, I do plan to release a lot more. All you have to do is click on subscribe, become an affiliate of mine if you want access to my free course, which is specific about building AI automations and everything you need to know to be a technical AI user. We also do live calls as well. So we have trainings pretty much every single week. You can also do Q&As with me. We do boot camps. We do all of this stuff, all included with those that are affiliates of mine. You also get a ridiculous amount of snapshots and value inside of my resource vault. So every industry that you can imagine, I've got a template for you for both a website, snapshot, automations, everything included directly inside here for all of my affiliates as well. So all you have to do is use the link in the description to sign up for a 30-day free trial. It looks just like this. Once you start your trial, you'll be invited to join the community and get access to all of my resources, all the live calls, and access to me directly. If you have any questions about browser control, you can leave them in the comments section. I'll be more than happy to answer, and I will start creating more videos about this. I'll see you in the next one.